Tyrekevlogs. Whoa! Yeah, wait for the man, but can you get? Oh. What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with another reaction for you all. People, guess what we have today? We have gonna hey Honda. We have Prince. I'm about Prince Pie. What about Buckley? We have TWani. And we have Skillibeng, bang, 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 bang. No, Rick Boss, you know. Right now we have the Honda remix. But now music video for a remix of one song. Interesting. But we know so we out here so we look for the girls I'm already in the people. We look for the girls them in the music videos, they know it's chopping now. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. I will post every single day. Few to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. So you might want to subscribe from right now. You understand? I know the vibe in the people. Right now, I call upon the Jamaicans there. Before me start the video. Jamaicans, dog! We need the support, dog. Support the Jamaican boy. Support your own, dog. Right now, you're trying to 10K subscribers, dog. So if you're watching the video right now, you're not subscribed to the channel. Why you not subscribe? Just tell me why you don't subscribe to the channel if you're watching the video right now. You click one already. Why you not subscribe? Why you not like the video yet? Support the yard, man, dog. We're trying to 10K subscribers. You know you're chopping, you know. Run tune now. We can see what's going for the video. Run tune! Alright.
Brother, right now, got them new academy and big to get better. What?
Oh, c'est un electrician.
Yo, listen, yo, she ever have a serious face. She ever, I she allow she look serious. I don't know why. Go on, do it. Watch her. Look at her face, sorry. No, let's look at her. Hold on, no, before we go anywhere in the video. Hold on there, one if the camera, like a lighting affect the camera, so not say me good. Don't even know now. But hold on there. No, not say me good. Buckley. Watch her, dog. Watch her. Look on her face through the whole scene. Watch her. Let's look on her face alone. Watch her. Let's watch her face. Watch her. Oh, but next to the whole world. Watch it.
What?
Oh, c'est un electrician.
She laugh and still look vexed, dog. What? Oh, the knockoff Honda sign. So I call it.
Brother, look at it. Yak!
What up, man?
I would have answered something that I don't play as.
I under them was sooner roast them car.
Put my news.
What you mean? Put my news. How this a Bennett, brother? What you mean? Are the French accent?
No.
My boy was dead with laugh, you know.
My dad, at the accent.
Outside, the brand new sick for them. Some roll out, some rolling. Yo, people, message from right now. Say if you don't watch the full video without me pausing it, giving my reactions, which you're here for, the link to the original song is down below in the description. So I don't want to see nobody say nothing about me. I pause the video too much. Run through now. Whoa, Missy boy. Well, on the Skillibeng, we see some girls that want to go back for them and see what go on for them girls right there. So we see some girls that want to go. Where them there? That's clear. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. I'll let you see them good now, but we see them. Yeah. Look, I got beside on that civic. If you don't have nothing thing. Hey, go on. Let's have a biggest clip now, man. Summer rolling. And I'm sure them under people. Right, my under. Body's under in a history that in a youth. Body's under that in a history in a youth. You can't be a girl me get with the under in a youth. I'm not even say 40. Go on.
Roll out some roll clean.
Boom. You show me girl them now, man. Nah. Get be a girl number. Yo, show me girl them number. You get the number them now, man. And then I come up to see in a dog. We all know the bum buckley, so I show the girl with the big batty at work in a dog. I'm tear dog. Go on, stay away.
The
Honda, get be a girl number. Cameraman, me not gonna do it in a cameraman. My girl just been over a while ago on the undercar, you know, my friend. And me not see her body in a cameraman. I want go on. Cameraman, I want go on. Cameraman, don't do it, you know. Don't do it. Be a girl number.
Mama tell your body under.
Be a girl number. Cameraman, dog, me not gonna have it in a dog. We come to see the girl, them, you know. Mr. Director, man. Next time, I come in it. I want to see the girl, them, you know. Go on.
One thing with the under it, no bun gas full of comfort and punch when me roll
That
it.
guy go pass me, sir. The blood clean. Yes, the man.
One thing with the under it, no
Your blood clot. You think you go pass the reaction, boss? Perfect. Perfect. Alright, we can go back in that throne now. You don't know chap.
You know a program. Them know a east side govern anywhere them see we go stop. Lotion.
Man, the outside of the on anyway. Me not say the man in the mongrel and man in the dog, but they don't want to America see people with dog in a car plug out them tongue through window. But that's the style man of Popsy. Run through.
Girl I say I saw the car smooth on the road dog.
Some roll out, you want some rolling.
What? Hold on. I Eddie man getting at the under. Get me a girl number. Pan them cheeks there. Look, pan them cheeks there. Bumbo clot. Girl, which part of the planet Earth you come from? Bumbo cleat. Look, pan them cheeks there. No, sir. Go on, Derek.
Some roll out, you want some rolling. Some roll out, you want some.
Bumbo clot, dog. Look, pan them cheeks there. Bumbo cleat. No, the one them want see. The one them want see. Bumbo clot, dog. People like the video from not like the video yet. And if that's like your bad wants to be a fire emotion in the comment section right now. Run tune!
Some roll out,
Yeah.
some roll clean.
Yeah, get me a girl number. Hold on, I forgot to look back at this one more time, dog. Blood clot, dog. It's something down with that ready, the youth. That ready. She have tattoo on my fingerprint on her too, but it. Yo! Go back in that song, dog. No, dog. No, sir. I hear somebody rich. Run tune. Get me a girl number. Get me a girl number.
Official like a custas, but me keep a vehicle tilt up by a gunman. Body kitted, roll out, you was so we roll clean. Anywhere we roll.
Whoa. Slow motion, the blood clot, yo. Girl, the head tap in that video too.
Eagle must be just wash.
Girl, the head tap. How am I pass that one? When I see me, don't want to see, you know, but me see her now. Girls, them outside now. It's about goddamn time. Run, tune. Where you the body, girl? Turn it round, girl.
Roll out, you was
Yeah.
so we roll clean.
Alright, let me catch your ass now. Watch ya. Watch your style, yeah. You ever hear about reaction, bossy, baby girl? This is how we do over here, so right now. Yeah, baby. Whoa. Yeah, girl. Wait for the man, back here, girl. Oh, Bobo Clyde. I didn't hear about. I want them hear about the reaction, boss. I want them hear about the reaction, boss, dog. Tell me. What them hear about the reaction, boss, people? Run tune.
Him shine like a gold teeth. He's there.
Some roll out, you want some rolling.
Me now ask Christ, I rent to the rent the world them on there for the video. I let me tell Prince Pen have a Honda. TWani have a Honda. When rent the rest of them. I drove me a make that. I don't know me a chat board, but that's a person of a chat board. Run tune.
Some roll out, you want some rolling.
Where she then? She gone. She come out of here. Now I get no more head of blood cleat. I'm so it's interesting in the video. No, calm down yourself and watch the video, yeah, dog.
Mama tell your body
Yonder.
Get me a girl number. Watch it just a clap it like a thunder.
Yeah! You see them thing I can't take now, dog. Yeah, smack and you spank them bumbuck bed girl with the big body them. And the cameraman nah show me them. The director said, oh, they don't for show the girl them cheeks. Yo, I'm telling you this, dog. I say 40. Run tune.
Get me a girl number.
Rolex, see pretty. You know the boy.
Yes. No. Go back on Instagram. I want you to do. Look at girl, man, never get to. Man, never get to, mama.
But no, easy.
No.
When I met them,
Mama, I never get to Ras. We think she broke her to a while ago. She was a big bad dance to blood cleat. Boy, go on.
Aka, you're deaf.
Yes! Yes, cameraman! Yes! We feel I want the cameraman. Yes! We didn't need a little scene the cameraman, dog. We start sweat now, because boss at work now. When you turn on about the AC and the girl them now. Yes, cameraman, we feel I want that. We see that one there, that one the live and direct cameraman. Big up your bum buckle itself. Go on.
Vroom, and the girl will jump a foot, them off a swing it.
Boom boom! Blood clot. Bumbo clot. The man a play jump with it, dog. The man a play jump with it, dog. Yeah, youth. Yeah, youth. Bumbo cleat. And then you're just because of vroom. Yeah, youth. People, if you watch the video right now, you don't like the video, like the blood clot video right now. I comment some fire emoji in the comment section if the reaction boss is on. Go on. Yes, girl. Yo, now we get everything we ask. I don't know for act. We don't know how to act. Watch out now one. We can check. Wow, me see baby. Yes, baby. Dog. We get everything we ask a while ago, dog. I don't know for act. But the video done. The video done, no? Go on now, so when again, I'm go on. Like the video, people. Like the video. Like the video. May I say it again. Jamaicans, dog. Support the yard man, the dog. Subscribe to the channel, dog. Make we 10,000 subscribers tonight, dog. Bumblecly. Run tune. Make we analyze the booty real quick. Hold on. Alright, go on. Summer roll out here, summer rolling. How is this? I come and say what Omani and Pang are doing about Mokla with the dog. Come and say them to come out with that little teddy bear thing, yeah. I go around and I friend people and scare people and them thing. The dog. Oh, the rule and that, the rule.
Get me a girl number. Get me a girl number.
People, this been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And right now, I say it again, dog. The yard people, them dog. Support the yard, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to your friend, them dog. You understand me? I say, yeah, dog. The most reaction channel on YouTube and the whole, not just Jamaica, not just the Caribbean, all over YouTube right now. Because I'm taking some of the reaction them to say, oh, them man are lame, no blood cleat in a dog. You understand? And me, them call the reaction boss, you know. And me, I gonna be the one and only reaction boss on YouTube right now, you know. You understand me? I say, big up on yourself.